Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to fully customize the menu layout in the Vivaldi browser on your phone. This guide will help you arrange your browser menu exactly how you want it. First, open the Vivaldi browser on your phone. Next, tap the Vivaldi icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, scroll through the menu and select Settings. Next, tap on Main Menu Layout to see the available menu structures. Then, select Menu Settings to open the Layout Management screen. Now click on Customize Layout, where you will find all the icons and sections you can adjust. Here, you can drag and move any icon or layout item to the position you prefer. This allows you to create a menu that suits your usage habits and makes navigation faster. If you found this guide useful, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.